Hey, this is TM with Top Notch Design Studios. I finally got the conveyor system for my S1 and we're going to hook it up today and take it for a test run. All right, so I found a conveyor system for my S1. I did not get it from XTOOL, or XTOOL didn't send me one. I actually found it on Facebook Marketplace for a great deal on it, and I went and got it yesterday. We're going to try to hook it up, and I'm going to show you my process and also talk to you a little bit what I think I have to do in order to use it in my studio. So I got the S1 and I'm going to be hooking it up, but as you can see, I have a limited work area as far as width. My studio is kind of small. I work in a one-car garage. So what I have to do is get all this taken care of off of this workbench or cabinet area, and then try to get my S1 moved from over in the corner to over here. But as you can see, I do have the attachment for the S1. They kept it in really good condition. They only used it like once. It didn't work for their purposes, so I got a deal on it. They came with the instruction manual, and they also have the extra rails for the extended version, so I can actually do longer, up to 118 versions. So I have all of the rails, actually 8 of them, I believe. Yeah, 8. I have 8 rails to be able to use for my conveyor system. So I'm going to clean this area up a little bit. I actually had to go get a piece of wood to over this because you need 30 inches of space to put it on, because the S1 is actually 30 inches. So I actually got a piece of wood that is 32 inches that I can put on top of this piece or this table here. So it'll overlap a little bit, but then I can use the full length of it. All right, so I'm gonna get busy on that.
I wake up at 05 running while the city sleeps. That military discipline is a promise that I keep. From the motor pool days to the studio floor, I transition the mission, but I'm still wanting more. I'm bringing precision from the tactical field to the metal and wood where the destiny sealed. Got that service commitment in every single vein, building up a legacy through the sweat and the pain. I don't need a CO to tell me where to stand. I'm the captain of the ship, what's the laser in my hand? Every line is a calculation, every move is planned. Spreading top-notch design studio across the land. I'm focused on the craft, determination in my soul. Reaching for the peak, yeah, I'm taking full control. I can't stop, no, I won't stop the grind. Leaving every single doubt and the weakness behind. With the beam and the heat, we engraving the name. Top-notch design, yeah, we changing the game. I can't stop, no, I won't stop the flow. Watch the fire in the studio start to glow. See the blue light flickering, it's a surgical strike. Carving out a vision that the world's gonna like. It's a ladder engraving, climbing step by step. Earn my stripes in the service, now I'm earning respect. No room for the errors, no margin for the slip. Got a firm foundation and the military grip. I'm focused on the details, the migrants in the glass. Creating pipes built for the ages to last. High power lasers cutting through the thickest steel. That's the top-notch difference in keeping it real. From the barracks to the business, I'm a veteran of toil. Planting seeds of success in the American soil. Focused on the craft, determination in my soul. Reaching for the heat, yeah, I'm taking full control. I can't stop, no, I won't stop the grind. Leaving every single doubt and the weakness behind. With the beam and the heat, we engraving the name. Top-notch design, yeah, we're changing the game. I can't stop, no, I won't stop the flow. Watch the fire in the studio start to grow. Commitment to the service, not a service to the client. Standing on my own 2 feet, mentally defined. When the pressure gets heavy, I just tighten the lace. Bringing military hardware to a creative space. Precision in the edge and discipline in the shop. When you start from the bottom, you aim for the top. Top-notch design studio, we burn it in doubt. While the lazy ones are talking and the weary ones sleep, I'm the master of the frequency, the pulse and the watt. Giving everything I have, giving all that I focused on the craft, determination in my soul. Reaching for the key, yeah, making for control. I can't stop, no, I won't stop the grind. Leaving every single doubt and the weakness behind. With the beam and the heat, we engraving the name. Top-notch design, yeah, we're making the game. I can't stop, no, I won't stop the flow. Watch the fire in the studio and start to grow.
All right, there you have it. Hooked up my conveyor system. I ran it a couple of times, did a couple practice runs. I found out that it might be because I was using small, skinny pieces, 5.5 inches, that it was starting to walk, and the piece was starting to come off the rails a little bit. So I made a couple adjustments. As you can see by the picture, I made some a jig or some guides, if you will, to keep them straight. That seemed to work pretty good. As you can see by the picture above also, or the picture here. First run was okay. I liked the length. I was able to do a full sign, if you will. I think in the future I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this and knock out some good projects with it. It really opens up the opportunities for me to do different types of signs and different types of projects. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, visit all my links down below, and watch out for some more videos. Thanks for joining me.